Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and Bluetooth state so pairing isn't blocked. First, charge the Airpods and open the case. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is on. Once done, go to Bluetooth settings and forget any existing Airpods entries to clear name conflicts. Then press and hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This ensures the Airpods reboot and broadcast a fresh, discoverable name and identity for pairing. After the reset, move the open Airpods case close to your phone or computer within 1 to 2 feet so the radio sees them clearly. Next, watch the Bluetooth or pairing prompt and tap the Airpods entry. If the name appears, accept and pair. Make sure you select them as the audio output in system sound settings to verify connection. If a generic name shows, rename in the device's Bluetooth details once connected to create a persistent, recognizable label for future pairing. Finally, confirm both your device OS and Airpods firmware are up to date, because name visibility can be a software bug. Once updates are applied, reboot both the phone and the Airpods case, then repeat the reset and pair cycle to clear lingering states. Make sure to test with a second device to isolate whether the issue is the Airpods or your primary device. If the LED never shows the white pairing glow or pairing consistently fails, contact manufacturer support for potential hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.